everyone, so today I have got another advent calendar unboxing. I have got the Macmillan Boots one. I always like this one. I normally always like this one anyways. Normally it's priced quite high, but at the minute on Boots, so I will link it down below, it is at £44. It always does get reduced normally later on in the year, but normally at the beginning it's not. Yeah, this is a 24-day advent calendar, £44, and it works out at £1.83ish a day. And we're going to unbox it. So this is all brands that are sold in Boots, and I'm assuming, I've never really looked into it, but I'm assuming portion of this, like profits from this advent calendar, go to Macmillan. It says its contents is worth over £154. It does have a sticker here saying £90, so I don't know whether that is going to be its normal price, but I did get it for 44. So if you want to get it at 44, I would definitely recommend like purchasing it now. Yeah, and we're just going to go in and unbox it. So it is a door style advent calendar. I feel like they're coming back in fashion. I feel like this always has stayed a door style advent calendar though. But we're going to unbox it anyway. It's a little bit large actually, like it's a little bit large. Yeah, so we're going to unbox it and see what we think of it. It's £1.83 a day, so we are looking for day number This is a multi-brand, so we will get multi-brand products in this as well, which is my favourite type of advent calendar. Right, I just need to find one. Day number one is this big one right in front of my eyes. And we have got something from Soap and Glory. We have got the Pout About It Hydrogel Lip Mask. I literally just got this in the Soap and Glory advent calendar. So yeah, but that is a good little product to get. So yeah, that's a good day. Good day. We went day number 2, which is here. Oh, we have got something from Liz Earle. This will probably end up going to my sister. We have got the Liz Earle Instant Boost Skin Tonic. Replenishes skin with soothing hydration to prep your routine. And I'm assuming, I think this is like their version of a toner. So yeah, that'll probably just end up going to my sister. She loves Liz Earle. I prefer stuff now that's more concentrated on anti-aging and things like that. So I'm like, yes, give me all the anti-aging and stuff. Right, so that is day number 2. We want a day number 3, which is up here. This looks like a little makeup-y type day door because it's the shape. Oh no, it's not. It is a perfume. Oh, we have got the Roll On Glory in the original pink scent, so it's another perfume, the Soap and Glory original pink. I'm so excited about this. I got this in the Soap and Glory advent calendar as well, but this is beautiful, like absolutely beautiful. So happy with that. So that was number 3. We want number 4, which is up here. We've got something from number 7, which is always exciting because this is not this is not something that I normally like branch out and buy, like number 7. This is the Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Serum. It's just a little size, but it's 5ml serum. But I feel like you only need a little bit. Yeah, so what does it say it does? It says use morning and evening to smooth onto face and neck after cleansing. It doesn't say really what it does. But yeah, that is that. We want day number 5 here. Oh, we've got a day that's fallen in. Just put that back up there. We have got the Vanilla-licious body scrub from Soap and Glory, which honestly this smells so vanilla-y. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So yeah, that's exciting. It smells lovely. Great for travelling and all. Actually no, they're 50ml. Really nice. Right, that's day number 5. We went to day number 6, which is here. It's a long skinny one. Oh, we've got another, oh dear me. We've got another mascara. We've got another number 7 product. This is a mascara. It's a visibly volumized lashes. I will put an image on the screen of what this mascara looks like because I'm not going to open it. I've got millions of mascaras open, but that is exciting. I do love a mascara. So that was day number 6. We were on day number 7, which is here. We have got another number 7. We have got a Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Primer. Instantly lifted and brighter looking skin, prolongs the wear of makeup. Do you think this is tinted? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I do like number 7 products. Alright, so it's got like, this is what it looks like. Oh, it feels lovely. I wouldn't say it's got a shimmer, but it smells nice and all. I mean, it definitely, I don't know why it's going to be, but it definitely makes that bit of my skin look more glowy. Oh, I'm excited about that. Thank you very much. That is definitely something I like. So that was day number 7. We want day number 8. We have got the Liz Earle like muslin cloth thing. I feel like this is definitely like a filler day, because like I feel like you get this free with a hot cloth cleanser, things like that. But I mean, it is what it is. It gives you an idea of whatever is coming. So day number 9 here. It's a little long skinny one. We have got another number 7 product. We have got the 12-hour Pro Artist pencil. Are you an eyeliner product? Eyeliner? I think it is, in a brown shade. I'm getting into these brown shades, you know. Oh my god, that is creamy as anything. I'm so excited about that. Yeah, that is definitely something I'll enjoy. Not that I wear eyeliner a lot, but I'm excited about trying that. Yeah. And it smudges as well. Ooh. Right, so that was day number 9. We want day number 10, which is over here. Oh, I'm so excited about this. We've got another one. I am so excited. I got this in the Soap and Glory Advent Calendar. And it is the original pink body mist. I'm going to be smelling of Soap and Glory and I do not care. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I like that we can match that up with the like perfume rollerball. Love that. That was day number 10. We went day number 11, which is up here. Got another number 7 thing, and this is the Protect and Perfect Intense Night Cream. I'm assuming it goes with this. Yes, it's the same line, so that's good. Suitable for sensitive skin as well. So that is 11. We want day number 12, which is up in this corner here. Oh, we're getting some lash curlers. I actually got a pair of lash curlers. This big calendar doesn't want to stay on this chair. I actually got a pair of lash curlers from the Macmillan, like this advent calendar a couple of years ago, and they're my favourite lash curlers, and they're just starting to like die on me now, to be honest. So I'm quite excited about these. I'm just trying to see if they were the same brand, but I can't see no branding on them. But I needed new lash curlers, so I will take them. Thank you very much. That was day number 12. We went day number 13, which is here. Oh, we've got something from Champneys. We have got hand gloves. So these like already got the cream in. Yes, they do. Wait there, it says wash and dry your hands, slide gloves from sachet and separate. Put the gloves on and rub hands together 30 seconds to evenly spread the lotion. Remove the gloves. Yes, this is so good because when my hands have a star, these type of things really help. So yeah, I'm so excited about that. My hands have been all right lately, to be honest, but yeah, I'm so excited about that. So that is 13. We want day number 14. Which is a tiny itty bitty one. It's tiny. What are we getting in this? Oh, right. I mean, I'll take it. They look good quality, I suppose. But you wouldn't be excited on your day number 14 as you're unboxing towards Christmas. It is a pair of clippers, but these actually look like really good quality clippers. Like, I'm not going to lie, they seem quite good quality. So that's something. The metal feels thick. But yeah, it's not exciting at all. But I will say, like I say, it does feel good quality. So that is 14. We want day number 15, which is down here. another Champneys product. We have got the Hydrogel eye patches. I'll take these. I'll take any sort of eye patches. Anything that'll stop me looking old, please. I'll have that. I'll take it any day of the week. So yes, thank you. It says it's got citrus and vitamin C in. It's not tested on animals, which is amazing. Yeah, I'm dead excited about that. So that's 15. We're on day number 16, which is up here. I'm guessing the lizard hot cloth. No. It is some more hydrogel eye patches. So really, I feel like they should have probably separated them days out a little bit, because you're getting 2 hydrogel eye patches day after each other. I feel like they didn't do the placement of the doors very well there. But yeah, I will take them too, like I say. That was 16. We want day number 17, which is up here. We have got a Botanics brand. This is the All Bright Smoothing face scrub. I love a face scrub. I used to love the St. Ives like face scrub, you know, a proper physical face scrub. I know they're not good for your skin, but I love them. This has got walnut shell powder and hibiscus HA. So yes, I will take that. I love stuff like that. Thank you very much. That was 17. We want day number 18, which is over here. We've got another number 7 product. It is the Protect and Perfect Intense Day Cream. So I feel like you're getting like a little skincare regime here, which is not bad, to be honest. That's good, so you can try them. That was 18. We want day number 19, which is along here. We've got another item from Botanics, and this is the Vitamin C Glow Sheet Mask. Brighter looking skin in 15 minutes. We all need a bit of that, don't we? I feel like we do. That was 19. We want day number 20. Where were you? Down here. You've got another Champneys product. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. This is something that I probably won't. This is something I probably won't use. It is the hand cream. I'm very fussy with hand cream because of my hands. I don't mind the mask. Never really had a problem with the glove masks, but like hand creams and stuff, I do normally really struggle with. Even though it's probably the same stuff in, but I know. So yeah, I'm being more careful with that. So that's 20. On day number 21 is this little one over here. I'm guessing a lip balm or something. Oh, I'm close. This is the number 7 Protect and Perfect Lip Care. So yeah, like a lippy type balm thing. Super for sensitive skin. That was 21. We want day number 22, which is a tiny, tiny one down here. I'm guessing tweezers. The size. I'm right. It is. That was the brand of the lash curlers. This brand here, Masked, and this is a pair of tweezers, which I will take. I love tweezers. I absolutely love tweezers, so I will have them. Thank you. Love the colour of them as well. So yeah, that was 22. We're in day number 23, which is here. And there we go, the Liz Earle Cleanse and Polish. So my sister's got a couple of Liz Earle things coming her way. And yeah, this is a 30ml size. So a nice little size, to be honest, and good little item. So that was 23. We're on day number 24, which is our final day. And it's up here. And we've got another Liz Earle product. This is the Eye Bright Soothing Eye Lotion. Ah, that's good. I like that. And that is the whole Macmillan Advent Calendar. What do you guys think of it? You know what? I know my lighting's really horrendous. I'm so sorry. I really like this Advent Calendar. I feel like, obviously, if you've gotten the Soap and Glory Advent Calendar and then you get this one, you have got a few, like, overlaps. But I love it. You're getting a bit of perfume, you're getting a bit of skincare, you're getting body care, a little few tooly things. Useful tooly things, though. I would say the only, like, I think the hot cloth cleanser should have went with the cloth in the same day, and we should have got another product if I'm being very fussy. And a little bit of makeup, not loads, just mascara, really. But I feel like we could have had a lip gloss or something. But overall, I love this. I'm so happy. Oh, we got an eyeliner, didn't we? overall, I'm very happy with this. I think this is such a bargain. I'm so happy with this, actually. It's like on another level. I'm very happy. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I will link this down below because this is such a good one. I think it's one of the better ones they've done in the last few years. I really do. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one.